Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great, right? So markets are kind of in fact yesterday I didn't post video. We recorded a video. There was some issue in YouTube, so we couldn't post the video. Now in our previous video, that is Thursday, right? Thursday video, we told that markets are likely to end above 19,300. I'm talking about Nifty, and Banknifty is also likely to end above 43,600, and 43,500 is going to be a very strong resistance, is what we told in yesterday's video, and in fact it is happening, right? So if you can see, yesterday after so much of struggle in Nifty and Banknifty, Nifty was able to close above 19,300. 19,300 was a stiff resistance, and in fact it closed on a gap up basis, right? So that's a very positive news, and we will also continue the same in Banknifty. In fact 43,600 or 43,500. Let me zoom this one, and if you can see, today's low was around 43,415. So Banknifty was able to close above 43,500, means we are likely to go on the higher side. And of course there are some economic data today in terms of Fed speeches there around 9:30 p.m. Today Monday, yeah. After that, tomorrow Wednesday, Federal Chairman Jerome Powell is going to give out speech. So there are lots of indication, and I'm sure this time what they will do is they will come out and they are going to pause the interest rate. I don't think they are going to keep on increasing the interest rate, is what I firmly believe. So markets will be going on the higher side, and you will have to be long in the market. That is what we have been saying, right? So if you are watching us on, if you are following us, and in fact even in Twitter, even in Telegram, and even in our community, YouTube community posts, we told that markets are likely to go on the higher side, and that is what is happening. Now the next question is, till how much it will go, whether it is Nifty or Banknifty. And one more thing, today is mid-cap Nifty expiry. It ended up very well. In fact, there was no movement at all. A whole day, mid-cap Nifty was moving just 20 or 35 points, right? Now, the main question is where it might go, right? That is the main question here. It might go till we are sitting at around 19,400 levels. 19,500 is a very small minor resistance. Then we might go till 19,850. So 19,850 levels, let me draw a line. 19,850 levels is a major, not a major, minor resistance, and if we are crossing that, we might go on the higher side. And of course it depends on many factors, like Europe has to close in the green, then US market has to close in the green. So there are lots of things involved in between. If everything is right, and if the US market are closing in the green, and Europe, if we are getting support from US and global markets, we might end up in the green. That's what I'm trying to say. And as I talk to you, all US futures, European market is slightly in the red, but apart from that, US futures are all trading in the green. So I would recommend to wait, and this is the best opportunity for everyone to go kind of do non-directional strategies, whether it is ratio spread, whether it is strangle, or whether some other strategy. So it is time for you to do some kind of ratio spread strategies or non-directional strategies, so that you can make good money in the market. That's what we are trying to say, right? And in terms of Banknifty, and I'm sure Banknifty, there is a good minor resistance around 44,500 levels. Let me draw a line. 45,500 levels, right? Around 45,500 levels. So you can expect the market, Banknifty, to go beyond, and of course tomorrow we might open flat, because US markets are not showing enthusiasm. But what I can say is we really don't know how the US markets are going to close, right? If it closes in the green, we might see markets going on the higher side. That is what I am expecting. Now 3 days of gap up. If you see the Bank Nifty, 3 days of indecisiveness. Let's say 1st of November there was a doji pattern, then 2nd of November also was a doji pattern, then 3rd of November also was a doji pattern, and Saturday, Sunday, 6th after Saturday weekend, 6th is also a kind of doji pattern. Now it is not giving up, it is indecisive, but at the same time Bank Nifty is inching up, it is going on the higher side. So this might be a positive sign. Even there is a pullback, let's say there is some negative news, or a US market, Europe is trading in the red, or let's say US market for one or other reason is in red, closing in the red means we might close in the, if we might gap down, but we might not gap down as much as what we might anticipate. That's what I'm trying to say. So try to be long in the market, try to go long in the market so that you can make good money. And this is what I've been saying for 2 or 3 days continuously, right? And this is our P&L. We made a profit of around 21,060 rupees. So till now we are in a profit of around net profit of around 3.50%, and let us see how things work out going forward, right? Let me refresh this also so that people may think that I am trying to manipulate things. Let me refresh this and you can understand what I'm trying, what we have done, right? So yeah, so this is, we'll go to positions, and you can see here positions total. Before that we have to agree the risk disclosure, right? Yeah, accept. Where is that? Okay, let me okay, accept. And 21,600. And orders, if you see, today was the least number of orders we have punched. I think around 118 orders we have punched. So that's very little in terms of our this thing. So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, I don't think, even if there is negative news, markets will not come on the downside. It will likely go on the higher side. If you are shorting this market, maybe you will be caught up in the wrong direction. So try to go long in this market and try to be smart. And even if it is, if there is any negative news, see, there are negative news, there are various negative news in terms of market. If you see, there is negative news in terms of Israel, Gaza, inflation is very high, Joe Biden administration is not performing, interest rate is very high, it is almost 22 years high. In spite of all this news, our market is reluctant to come on the downside, and it really wants to go on the higher side, and that is what is happening. And if you ask me, when will the market come on the downside? Only if BJP is not selected for the third term, the markets are likely to come on the downside. Otherwise, I'm sure the market will keep on going on the higher side. And who knows, even if BJP is going to win the third term, maybe we will also cross the lifetime high also, right? So I hope I have summarized. Don't try to short this market, be long in this market is what I want to tell everyone. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.